Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I am giving you a demonstration on how to share your trip progress from Google Map app. Quick share your estimate arriving time. Suppose the Google Map app for allowing Android and iOS devices has the new features that allow you to share your estimate arriving time with your friends. Watch this video and learn how to share trip progress on the Google Map app for the Android and iOS device. So let's start as a demonstration. Open your Google Map app and select the location. Right now I am in this location. I went in IKEA. So I select this IKEA and where exactly location is 15 kilometers away and start the location.
Head southwest on Lauritz.
Start the progress of my reaching. So I click here and number one options are come share trip progress. I click there and then some options are come, so many contacts are come, so I can share those contacts as well as I select different options are available here: iMessenger, WhatsApp, Facebook, Gmail, LinkedIn, Facebook Messenger and Hangout. So I go with that my iMessenger and type here one of my contact and I send the message, that one, the sharing progress until working, and I open iMessenger. Look at this, this is one of my friend already there, so I reaching on that address, so he click in this location and access my navigation operation. So this is a simple trick how to share your trip progress from with the help of Google Map app. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.